Mobile internet is a very big thing in China. Obviously, it's not a direct marketing tool for for all the advertisers, but we're gonna see firstly will be a lot of like intelligence enabled sort of terminals coming into the market. The very affordable price range, talk about 100 200 US dollars. Android could be a very dominant operating system. That is something that advertisers have to be very good for. Whether they should launch some apps to tackle some of these, to target some of these customers. Second thing for sure, during the presentation we did talk about the search engine is important, but having said that, a lot of social media community is very important as well. But in terms of the SNS, I mean, China is a little bit different from the say the rest of the world. We have three major players. We have Tencent, Ren, and also we have Caixin. So when the customers try to interact with the when the corporate try to interact with the customers, they have to understand that in fact Chinese have a few different communities on different platforms. So they have to be aware of which community would be the best way for them to interact with customers. And obviously the new trend will be the microblogging. Senior microblog have really attract a lot of attentions. If you measure the top 100 bloggers of senior microblog now account for 39% of the top 100 bloggers of Twitter. And it's growing every single month, talk about 20 to 30%. It's growing very fast. So it's something that from an advertiser's point of view, they really have to pay more attention to the microblogging. We can talk about online video, e-commerce, and other things that is so much important for advertisers. I think we try to highlight is that I think all the advertisers, one, have to understand the behavior of the Chinese better. There are a lot of differences here. And second, if they want, we have to optimize the media portfolio. There could be a lot of differences from their US experience. Simple answer would be every single country have their own rules that we have to follow. And this is always a plus and minus for the multinational companies, right? And also even domestic companies. To be honest, I mean, every single corporate have to really understand the rules better. And I think the good thing in China market is sometimes you can really, if they really understand government mentality better, you should communicate with the related government departments. As such, you may have a better reaction to the rules that came out of the market. But if you look at what happened in China market, we still have a lot of similar kind of applications that we have in America and launched in China as well. It doesn't mean China government doesn't want the internet market to grow, but to grow in a way that government think will be following the rules. So at the end of the day, I still believe the growth of the China internet market will have a lot of growth potential here.